Control your own destiny or someone else will. Jack Welch. 3 things you can control today. Sometimes we think things are going out of our hands. But there are 3 things still in our control. Start focus on that. First, your thoughts. What goes on in your head is all up to you. Instead of thinking negative stuff, try focusing on the good things. It can totally change how you feel. Second, your belief about yourself. You're awesome. Believe in yourself, even if things get tough. You've got strengths, skills nobody else has. Embrace that. Third, your actions. Every move you make is your call. So, why not choose actions that bring you closer to your goals? Even small steps count big time. Circle, today, let's take charge of what we can control. By thinking positive, believing in ourselves, making smart moves, we're in the driver's seat of our lives.